So I just lined the entire bottom of my pie crust with some delicious mini M&Ms. You can take a minute just to evenly spread those all out on the bottom. Perfect. Then we're gonna come right over here into our saucepan. We're gonna grab 3 cups of marshmallows and dump those right in there. On top of that, we'll add a 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. Now, of course, we wanna take a moment to stir that all together, all till the marshmallows are melted in with that heavy cream and everything is fully combined. We are looking great. You can tell that the heavy cream and the marshmallows are fully combined together, looking nice and smooth and creamy. We'll kick it up a notch by adding some white chocolate chips right in with that marshmallow and heavy whipping cream. Yes, that is what I'm talking about. Now, I used 2 bags of white chips because they were the smaller ones. They were only about 7 ounces. But if you get the regular bag that's about 12 ounces, that will be just enough. Now, just like we did with the marshmallow and the cream, you want to continuously stir that all together till it's nice and smooth and all that white chocolate is mixed and melted in with the marshmallow and the cream. Oh, this holiday pie is gonna be so delicious. It will definitely keep you coming back for more. So just be patient and let it mix all together and just have that continuous stir so we don't burn the chocolate or the cream or the marshmallows. This is looking so good, you guys. It is all mixed up. So we have that ready to go. What we're gonna do is we're gonna come over here. We're gonna place it into our bowl. We have some more delicious things to add to it, so having it in a bowl will just make it a little bit easier. More importantly, more than anything, we wanna give this mixture a moment to cool down. So it's the easiest if you transfer it out into another bowl. It'll help it cool down faster, just like we're doing here. All right, once we got that cooled down, grab yourself some Cool Whip. Now, I'm doing it the easy peasy way, but of course, if you want to make your own whipped cream, that is totally fine. Otherwise, just grab yourself some Cool Whip and throw about 2 cups of Cool Whip right in with that mix. And what you'll do is you'll just start to fold that all together. Oh, this vanilla chocolate goodness is going to be your new favorite holiday no-bake pie, I swear. So we're just starting to mix it all together, getting that fluffiness and that cream right in with that chocolate. Oh, this looks fabulous. Okay, you guys, this is looking so good and so creamy. I'm so excited to show you how it turns out. So let's slide in our pie crust that we covered with those M&Ms. And what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna dump all of this in with that. So check that out. Look at how silky and creamy and tasty that looks. So fill up your entire pie crust with the delicious mix. Oh yeah, save a little bit of that room at the top for the topping. I think that's good for me. I'm working with a 9-inch pie crust here, so if you want to make it a little bit larger, you can grab yourself a bigger one. I am going to, for now, take a pause, put it in the fridge, let it set up, and stick around because we're going to top this off and dig into it, and I can't wait to show you how delicious and super cute this holiday pie is. All right, so our pie has been sitting for a couple of hours. I am super eager to jazz this up. I am gonna start off with just a little bit of Cool Whip. So I know that this is a huge container. I had it and I used a little bit, and then I'm using a little bit more for the top. Now, if you are asking me how much Cool Whip do you need, I would say 8 ounces if you're not gonna put any Cool Whip on top. And if you are gonna put Cool Whip on top, then maybe you wanna get a little bit of a bigger size. So it just depends on what you wanna do with it, but I am just gonna take a nice little layer right on top for some creaminess. Oh, this is gonna be so good with the white chocolate and the marshmallow. Oh yeah, oh, this looks so delicious. Now, originally I wanted to put crushed peppermint, but I had some candy canes instead. So I thought, oh, how cute is that? We'll just make those candy canes into a little heart shape. And then here I have some M&Ms. So I don't know, should we put them inside and around or just inside?
Ooh.
In and around? Yeah, maybe, huh? I guess we can't ever have enough, right? And it'll pair those little M&Ms that we have on the bottom. Remember, we put those on the bottom, which is gonna make it so cool when we slice into this pie. I cannot wait to show you guys. I'm just gonna add just a few more on top, nothing too crazy. Okay, that looks good. All right. Okay, I am going to cut right into this piece, right here on this side. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to eat this. Try to scoop this out. those M&Ms in the bottom. Wow, those look so good. Oh gosh, I need a fork. Okay, now I have my handy dandy fork here. And yes, yes. You see those M&Ms right there in the bottom?
Yum.
Wow, this is absolutely amazing. The consistency is perfect. We've got this great texture. Really, really good. Let me know what you guys think of this easy no-bake holiday pie. I'm totally digging in on this before dinner, and I don't even care. And as I'm getting closer, I just keep seeing the layer of the M&Ms on the bottom, and I'm thinking to myself, how amazing is it if we put our toppings on the bottom, so when we bite into them, they're all on the inside. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you love this. Happy holidays. We'll see you later. Enjoy.